What's the meaning of conic section? Conic section. Conic section.
Conic section. Conic section. A conic section is a shape that results from intersecting a cone with a plane. Depending on the angle of the plane relative to the cone, different types of conic sections can be produced. If the plane is parallel to the base of the cone, a circle is formed. If the plane is tilted slightly, an ellipse is produced. As the angle of the plane increases, a parabola is created, and finally, if the plane is perpendicular to the base of the cone, a hyperbola is generated. These shapes are important in mathematics and have various applications in science and engineering.